I'm Matt Bishar with NAREIT.com here at the Wynn Las Vegas for REITWorld 2015, NAREIT's annual convention for all things REIT. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Chris Marr, President and CEO of CubeSmart. Chris, thanks so much for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Last month, CubeSmart raised an additional $250 million in a public offering. How do you expect to allocate that capital?
Yeah, we definitely got very lucky with the timing. We did an unsecured bond deal. It was our third transaction. Hit it on a good day. 2% Treasury, 200 basis point spread, so 4% coupon, which obviously we find very attractive cost of capital. We're going to use that to fund our external growth, both our acquisitions of stabilized assets as well as our development pipeline and our buy at CO pipeline.
And overall, how are fundamentals in your sector looking heading into 2016?
Yeah, difficult to come up with a new adjective other than fantastic. Fundamentals are very strong, great customer demand, very limited new supply of self-storage in the United States, so definitely a tailwind.
And we've talked in the past regarding how technology has been a great differentiator between the public REITs and the smaller independent operators. How is that gap between the two right now? Is it growing? Is it getting smaller? And what will be the ultimate result?
And the gap is definitely continuing to increase as from a technology perspective and from a customer service perspective. The larger operators continue to take market share from the smaller folks, and I think you'll see that as we move into the future.
And lastly, our viewers enjoy learning about specific REIT properties that maybe have a unique history or a unique connection to the community or an interesting story behind them. Is there a property in your portfolio that fits that bill?
There sure is. We own a store in New Jersey, which is the site of the New Brunswick Marconi radio station, which is where Marconi invented the radio and was the first radio station in the United States. Used heavily during the war. I think it was built in about 1914. It was used heavily during the war as a communication space. In 2004, many of the buildings were torn down for the self-storage facility, but one building was redone with the bricks from the other stores. Today is actually a residence. We rent it to one of our customers. In it, we have a picture of Marconi and Tesla. Tesla looks very cranky, and as you know, he continued to litigate with Marconi over who actually invented the radio.
Well, Chris, thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having me.
For more from REITWorld 2015, be sure to visit REIT.com.